Hi guys, welcome to Toyland. Today we will open 3 boxes of Winx Club Toy. This is called Fancy Kitchen Set. This is for 3 years and above. Warning, small parts not for children under 3 years. The first box that we will open is the refrigerator set. Next is the electric kettle. And then the microwave oven. Here are the collections that you can get. Kitchenware, juicer, microwave oven, rice cooker, electric kettle, and refrigerator. And let's start to open this. This is the refrigerator set. Let's open it now. This is the refrigerator. This is battery operated. And here are the items that you can put inside the fridge. First is the egg. Let's put it inside. There's also a cake. Pizza. Bread. Orange juice. Another juice. Strawberry juice. Here's the milk. Syrup. Another milk. There's also some veggies. Pepper. And another syrup. Now let's put them all in the fridge. Here's the cake. Here's the egg. We can put the veggies inside. There's some bread. The orange juice. The box of milk. Some sweet. And the egg. Then we can put it then we can close it. So here's the refrigerator. Next box is the microwave. So here's the microwave. We can take this out, and here's the opening. Here's the inside. Here's the buttons for the microwave. And there's also a battery. It also includes some foods that you can put in the microwave, but I think some of them you can also put inside the fridge. It's basically just the same. Here's the egg, the cake, pizza, some nice bread, here's the milk, a nice syrup, another milk, the orange juice, another juice, strawberry juice, another syrup, pepper, and the green stuff. So here's our refrigerator and the microwave. Lastly, we have the kettle. Here's the electric kettle. There's also a place where you can put the battery. And I don't know if you can open this. It doesn't look like you can open it. Yeah, cannot open it. Here's the cup. Another cup. Another cup. And the ladle. So we've put in the battery, and this is what happens. For the refrigerator, this small bulb light up. And for the microwave, I think this is not working because the battery is already inside. When I press this, or even when I open it, that small light inside doesn't lit up. So maybe this one is broken, but it should work. Next is the electric kettle, and here's the cup. You put it here, and when you press this button, it will give you a vibrating sound as if you're dispensing some water. for the fancy kitchen set. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share and subscribe for more upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye!